Hi guys, this is my dog Tinkerbell having so much fun with a little piece of rubber. And now my feet. There's Frankie.
Well, I tried Billie Jean King, but
There's Frankie.
you and Monica have the same I'm gonna kill
And
you.
there's Tia.
I can usually make it go away by kissing her.
What are you doing, Tinkerbell?
Get out.
What are you doing, Tinkerbell? You come and say hi now? No, you want to say hi? No, you want to say hi. Yeah, I know. You're a good boy. This is a good boy. Ow! Say hi, Tinkerbell. My dog seems to think that he is a cat. As you can see, he is sitting on the back of the sofa like a cat. Ain't you, Frankie? You're like a cat. Sure, right. Frankie. Who's that? Where's the cats, dear? Where's the cats? Go get the cats. Oh, where's they two, dear? Oh, she fell. Ooh. Where they two, dear? Go get him, Frankie. Hey! They're up there. They're up there. Tia, they're up there. It's Tinkerbell trying to tell Tia to shut up. Anyway, guys, it's been a weird day. Really hard to try and set up this YouTube account. So it'd be really helpful if everyone that watches this video or any other of my videos subscribes, please. Thank you.